Let's talk about organization in your Classwork tab. First, make sure you are in the Classwork section. You will see that you have a Course Resources section. This section will be noted with a star, as you can see, and it will include things you will need frequently throughout the year and will keep as a reference. This course resource section will always be at the bottom of your classwork list. Another way that my Classwork tab is organized is through my weekly sections. As I mentioned earlier, you can see course resources at the bottom of this list. In my weekly sections is where I will find the assignments that I need to complete. There are different types of classwork that will go under this section, and we will continue to learn about those in future videos.